Welcome to the talk show today. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Putrianjani as the host of this talk show today. I and the guest star will share many information. Can you guess who the guest star is? Okay, since you're curious, let's go summon Simon Sinek.
Hello everyone.
Before that, we can get to know Mr. Simon better. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello, my name is Simon Oliver Sinek, or you can know me Simon Sinek. If you guys want to know me like how I start career, you can watch and listen to this after end ya guys. Okay, I was born on October 1973 in Wimbledon, England. Do you know how old I am? Yes, I'm 50 years old. It's very old, right?
Mhm. I read in the article you chose, study anthropology in the university, right? Can you tell us why you choose study in anthropology in the university?
Okay, I just study anthropology in university because anthropology discusses me deeply about human in the past and present to their types, and then this study make me interested in human behavior in the world.
Wow, anthropology, so amazing, right? Then after graduate in education, what did you do, sir?
In 1996, after I graduated from university, I returned to become a lawyer at City University London. However, this training did not last long. I decided to leave legal education and go into advertising. After that, I moved to New York and started work in the field of advertising, namely at the company Ogilvy and Mather and Harvard Creative. However, I worked not long into this field because I felt that building my own company was better.
Sinek feel tired or he feel that things are just happening?
Sure, I felt it, especially from 2002 until 2006. I took why I'm doing this because I felt that I had worked very hard and this question changed me a lot.
It turns out that these feelings can happen. But what I know is that you wrote a book, right? When did you write your first book and what was the title?
Okay, I wrote the first book in 2009 with the title Start with Why. This book is about why organizations that are great by why will success more often than those that are not. In 2010, I was very careful because this book I published was very successful.
That's right. The book you published in 2010 is really well known. So, what are you doing now?
In 2015, until I don't know when I will continue like this, I'm a teaching graduate from Columbia University. Not only that, I'm also a public speaker who has visited various events. I also say that companies and organizations start with why it matters.
Wow, I like this guest star in talk show tonight. We have reached the closing time. Thank you, Mr. Sinek, Mr. Simon Sinek, for giving us very good insight, motivation, and to not give up on taking steps. Thank you all, and once again, thank you, Mr. Simon Sinek, and see you guys.
Thank you too for visiting me.
Thank
Bye.
you. See you.